Good evening. In tonight's Thundering Thursday, we're going to witness the start of a new army with an unboxing of the Soviet Assault Engineers Squad from Warlord for bolt action. So let's get this wrapper off and let's see what's inside. And welcome back. So peek. So obviously we get bases and we get 10, looks like 10 figures, it should be 10, the box says 10. So there we go. Thank you, Roxana. I think that's probably the first I've had from you. I don't know if you knew or what. So let's have a look at what we get. So right from the start, I can see that we get one chappie carrying a couple of Panzerfaust, and of course submachine gun. Then let's see, got his arm up, so it must be the NCO, because that is the law apparently. And we get chappie in soft cap again with LMG, and chap with an anti-tank mine. And then we get SMG, another SMG, and yes, another SMG. And a little bit of flare, well, flash, another SMG. And can you guess what this is? Yep, it's another SMG. And finally, yeah, it's got an SMG, but he's also got a German style hand grenade. But looking at them, these are all really good, clean, crisp castings. No obvious issues other than a little bit of venting, but as somebody who casts these, venting usually means it's a good casting. It means that all the parts are filled and that it's very rare for a vent to fill if the part it's attached to doesn't. But all nice clean castings with the body armour, strapping across the back, etc. So while these are modelled as assault engineers, these are destined to become tank riders in my next tournament army. So we'll see about that when we come to it. Thank you.